road again.
It's going to be a lovely day today.
Yeah. Okay, here we go. Take one. All right, we're leaving Lajitas, Texas, which is the Maverick Ranch RV park. Really nice place. In the middle of absolutely nowhere. Wi-Fi is pretty good. We were streaming a little bit. No television whatsoever unless you got a satellite. No cell phone whatsoever unless you have Verizon. If you don't have Verizon, you're not getting nothing. So, we're headed to where did I say it was? Fort Stockton up on I-10 and see what happens there. We're not sure where we're going to go after there. So today's a traveling day. We'll be going up and down some hairy hills. So down the road we go. Or maybe up and down the road we go because we're to be doing this.
It's going to be straight up,
straight down. Ought to prove interesting. Ooh,
about
a Honda.
10% grade.
30% one of them. Yeah. So here we go.
Wish us luck.
Yep. Get a head of steam. This morning we're going to be leaving Maverick Ranch RV Park down Lajitas, Texas, and we're going to be going to Junction, Texas. But first we'll go north and go up to Alpine, and then from Alpine we'll go up to I-10 there at Fort Stockton, and then go east to Junction. So once we get to Junction, that's where we're going to stay for the night. So let's flip over to the, there we go, the satellite map. And here's where you get off. You get off at exit 456, and we'll be staying at the North Lano RV Resort. Right here, it's right along the river, and it's got a beach and everything. It's a gated RV park, so it's a little more secure than anything else. And then after that, we went out and ate at Lum's Barbecue. Man, was that good. It was probably the best barbecue I've had in a long time. Really good barbecue. And then after we got back, we discovered that we could have stayed for free down here on the river at, I think it's Shriner Park. I think you can stay 2 or 3 nights free. There's no hookups. But if you just need an overnight, that's a great place to stay. It's down on the river. We also found out that there's a state park just outside of town. If you come into Junction and take a ride on 377, you go south here a little bit, and let's see if I can find where it was again. Hang on. There it is. It's down right off of the river there. And okay, where we come in is right over there. So as you come down, you take a left and go across into the State Road. I think it's State Road 73, and you follow that around till you come to the visitor center. There's a couple of day use places right there, and down here is the visitor center. Let's get over to there. We got scrolled in there. Right there is the visitor center. I think it's like $20 a night, and it's electric, water and electric, 30 amp. There is a dump station, but no sewer hookups at each spot. The spots are pretty good size. It's a really nice place. They're easy to back in and easy to get out. And also, on the website, it tells you how big of a rig you can put in each site, which is kind of nice. But we just took a drive-through and filmed a little bit there, so we'll show that to you later. So let's get on back to the video. Junction, Texas. Just had brisket, barbecue brisket at a place called Lums. Man, was it good. That's the best brisket I've ever had in Texas.
It's the only brisket you've ever had in Texas.
Well, yeah, but, you know, best I've had. We're cruising up and down Main Street just to see what's up and down the main street. Okay, we're going to go check out the campgrounds here at this state park.
They have electric and water.
They have electric and water and a dump station. And how much a night is it?
$20.
$20 a night. So we've got a permit to just take a drive through. And so we're going to check them out.
These are nice campsites.
That's nice. Yeah, very nice campsite. Oh, they got wood you can buy there. They're cement pads or gravel. Pretty nice. Roomy. Looks like they're all back in, but it looks like easy back in, easy pull out. Cool. Well, the ones that aren't cement, it looks like they're paved anyway with, you know, blacktop and then gravel and a little bit of tar on top of them. So very nice. They all got shade over their picnic table if they don't, you know, don't have a tree. Is it 30 and 50 or just 30? Here's what the restrooms look like. If the inside of them look as good as a regular park, it must be pretty clean. Looks pretty nice. It doesn't say whether it's 30 or 50 or both. It's probably 30. Most state park campgrounds are 30, but might be 50. You can inquire when you call them. This is pretty nice. I wish we'd known about this. I'd come down here and park for a couple days. Very nice. Nice surprise. Didn't think there was anything here in the area. Luckily, Shirley went shopping and asked the lady, and she told us about this park. It's like a nice, quiet, relaxing, you know, a lot of walking the trails.
All the campsites are marked as what length that you can get in, the size of your camper that you can get in.
Oh, all the campsites are marked what size they are? Oh, okay. So you can look up on their website and you can look at the campsites, and it says on each campsite the length that you can get in that campsite. Pretty slick. We'll put a link to the website and everything in the comments below. And you can read them there and go to their website. Not a huge campground, but really nice. Really, really nice.
There's 58 sites.
There's 58 sites, Shirley says. Huh. Thanks for watching Down the Road We Go. In our next episode, we'll be leaving Junction, Texas, and heading to Waco, where we're going to stay in a kind of a strange place in the swamp and go see what's going on at the silos. This is a Shirley trip, so stand by for a massive shopping spree.